Hi class, and welcome to Lesson 9.2, Ordered Pairs. Let's begin by looking at our essential question. How can you identify and plot points on a coordinate grid? So let's get started with the lesson by connecting back to some things that you may already be familiar with. So locating a point on a coordinate grid is similar to describing directions using north-south and west-east. The horizontal number line on the grid is the x-axis. The vertical number line on the grid is the y-axis. Each point on the coordinate grid can be described by an ordered pair of numbers. The x-coordinate, the first number in the ordered pair, is the horizontal location, or the distance the point is from 0 in the direction of the x-axis. The y-coordinate, which is the second number in the ordered pair, is the vertical location, or the distance the point is from 0 in the direction of the y-axis. So the first number is the x-axis, is the x-coordinate that explains where the x-axis that runs horizontally is located from 0. The y-coordinate is the y-axis that tells vertically how far the data is from 0. So the x-axis and the y-axis intersect at the point 0, 0, called the origin. And this is what it means. They intersect. The x-axis and the y-axis intersect, or they meet or join at 0, 0, which is considered to be the origin. So let's begin with our unlock the problem. Write the ordered pairs for the locations of the arena and the aquarium. It says to locate the point for which you want to write an ordered pair. Look below at the x-axis to identify the point's horizontal distance from 0, which is its x-coordinate. Remember, the x-coordinate is going to be the one that comes first. So to find the arena, we would look over horizontally, and it looks like the dot is located on the third coordinate. Then it says look to the left, the y-axis, to identify the point's vertical distance from 0, which is its y-coordinate. So then we would come up on the third x-axis or x-coordinate and then come over to our y-coordinate. So the ordered pair for the arena is 3, because the x-coordinate comes first, and 2. So the ordered pair for the aquarium is 3, 2. Now, describe the path you would take to get from the origin to the aquarium using horizontal then vertical movements. Well, we see that right here is our aquarium. So the very first thing that we would do is we would come over on our x-axis to find the x-coordinate that the aquarium is on. And we come all the way over, and it looks like our x-coordinate is going to be 9. And if we come straight up until we get to the aquarium, and then come straight over to find our y-coordinate, which would be 4. So our ordered pair of numbers would be, for the aquarium, would be 9, 4. Now let's look at our example 1. It says to use the graph. A point on a coordinate grid can be labeled with an ordered pair, a letter, or both. So it says A, plot the point 5, 7, and label it J. Okay, from the origin, move right 5 units and then up 7. So we're going to start on the x-axis and move over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the 5th x-coordinate. And then we are going to go straight up 7, and that's where we would place our J. So from the origin, move right 5 units and then up 7 units. So you would plot and label the point J. So let's look at example 2. You can find the distance between 2 points when the points are along the same horizontal or vertical line. So first you would draw a line segment to connect point A and point B. So remember, a line segment is a line that has two endpoints. So we would connect A to point B. And of course a line should be straighter than that, but I'm freehanding it. Count vertical units between the 2 points. So we would count the vertical units. It would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 units between points A and B. Therefore, points A and B form a vertical line segment and have the same x coordinates. How can you use subtraction to find the distance between the points? Points A and B form a vertical line segment and have the same x coordinates. So how can you use subtraction to find the distance between the points? Well, since the x coordinate represents the same location on the vertical axis, you can subtract the y coordinates to find the vertical distances. For example, 9, which is the coordinate for B, minus 3, which is the coordinate for A, and the distance is 6 units. So next it says to graph the points 3 and 2 and 5 and 2, and to explain how you can use subtraction to find the horizontal distance between these 2 points. Okay, the points 3 and 2 have been graphed in red on the graph, and we went over 3 horizontally and up 2 vertically. The points, or the ordered pair 5 and 2, have been graphed in blue, and we went over on the x-axis 5 and up 2 to where our ordered pair has been marked. So then, since they are both on the same horizontal or x-axis, we can do our 5 minus 3, so the distance is 2 units. Now let's take a look at tonight's password. Adam is making a line plot using the following data. Which month's amount of rain would be closest to the average number of days with rain for all 5 months? And this is our rainfall as our title, our month and number of days as our 2 labels, April, May, June, July, and August. So would it be A, April, B, May, C, July, or D, August? Be sure to record your answer in your math journal and bring it with you to class tomorrow. See you then.